Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Nicola. So today I am doing the second part of the DIY journal video. If you missed that video, I have it up here. You can check that out right now or after this video. But I said in that video, I'll do the inside look of the journal that I am making. So that's what's gonna happen in this video. So if you want to know all of that and what I did and everything, I'm gonna show everything. Go ahead and sit back, relax, continue watching. But before you do continue watching, go down below and subscribe if you want to. Right now, go ahead and subscribe. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started with this video. First things first, for this journal situation, I want to make headers for all the months and then like for goals, and also I'm going to have a password page. More on that when I get to it. So I drew in all the bubbly cursive letters of all the headers that I want to make, and then I'm gonna color them in. So that's what you see now that I did all the months and I colored them all in different colors. I am going to show you the last two, which is November, December. And then while I had all the colors out and everything, I'm going to color in the other headers, which I had goals and passwords, so I color those in as well. Okay, so now I'm going to cut all of them out, so I have them as like placeholders or headers, placeholders in the journal that I'm making. And I could have just made all the headers right in the book, but this journal does have lines in this journal and I didn't want that in the mix of my writing, the little headers. So I just did that on a separate piece of paper, and marker paper to be exact, and draw them in, and I'm just going to tape them in, or you can glue them in. So that's what I did. So since we're already in the middle of the year and it's August already, I made this journal so you can go August 2019 to July 2020 next year, since it's already halfway in the year. But if you look at this particular journal at the beginning of the year, do it from January or whatever month that you are looking at this video right now. Start with that month and go till that month to that next year. So before I do all the monthly itty-gritty stuff, I wanted to start this journal out with goals that you have for the year, just goals in journal for yourself. So that's be right when you open that journal, right there, and all the goals and glory that you have for yourself. So I taped in the little header of goals, and then I just wrote in some goals that I want to have for myself throughout the rest of the year, throughout just in general, just goals of mine. Then I left a page or so open if I have any more goals. The next page that I thought would be crucial for my journal and something that you use throughout the year is definitely passwords. We all have a lot of passwords because we all have a lot of things that we do on a day-to-day basis on social media. So to get the password journey started, you just start with wherever it comes to mind. So Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, all of that, Twitter, all of those headers, and then you can have the headers in different colors. colors, and you can write your email and passwords for each one of them. But then when you actually write down the password and the email address that you made, I suggest to write it in with a pencil that you can actually erase, just in case if you change your password throughout the year, change your password somewhere, or you use a different email or couldn't figure out your password one day and you changed it, all you have to do is go back to that page and just erase it and write in the newest password, and it won't get all crazy in your new password section. And so you essentially do that for every email password situation thing that you have for your internet social media business. And I also left some pages open for that because we all get new things all the time, and so there's space left to write in new emails and passwords and such and so forth. So now we're at the different months of the year, and I did start with January obviously and taped it down. After taping in the different months, you can really decorate this page for that particular month as well and make it even more prettier. Just make sure to make this journal your own. So fast forward to August, since this month is August, you want to write a header, like a to-do list for the month, just in journal to-do list, and you can type in like last minute fun activities before school starts, or just fun activities that you have for the month. You can, since there is a line paper and it's not specific like section for each little date of August, so you can just write in like on the 2nd I have to do this, or on the 15th I got an appointment on here, and you can check back and see that. You can use a different color markers and stuff like that. For like red can be very important, yellow, and all that different colorways of importancy in the journal. You also can have a section for thoughts of the month, and that can be a couple pages, just your thoughts of the month. Just what did you do for the month? How did you feel for the month? Just your feelings. You just laid it all out in the journal. And then I did that for September, October, November, and when I got to December, we got another fun header. So with all the thoughts of the month and to-do list of the month and fun activities for the month and all that stuff, headers that for different pages. But for December, we got Christmas gifts ideas for your family, and also Christmas gifts that you specifically want for yourself, that if somebody asks what do you want for Christmas, you got the list right there, and you can like say what you want right there. But also do all the other headers that we did throughout the other months as well. Then within each month, you can glue anything in there that you have to, shove anything in there if you have to, stuff just so you can remember, and you can have for years and years. So that is it for this DIY journal inside situation that I showed you this video. If you missed how I did the cover of this journal that I got at the dollar store, go ahead and check out the video down in the description box below, or at the end of the video. You don't want to miss that. So I really hope this is very helpful, and I really hope that you can use this as inspiration or whatnot. So thank you so much for watching, and why not go down below and subscribe right now and hit that great notification bell so be notified of the other videos that I do in the week. And also while you're down there, go ahead and give me some comments of any other kind of like DIY things you want to see, or anything else you want to see on this channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with some other fun videos. Bye.